Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, selling today I'm coming to you with a super quick easy brunch hair look. If you're interested, you want to see I achieve this kind of messy curls, twister style, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy with this hair. You don't need too much effort. It's effortless hair. It's super easy, good to go. You don't want to do too much when it comes to your hair going for brunch, like I said. So keep watching. Hey guys, what's up? So yeah, I'm starting up with a super fresh wash hair, wet. Okay, today I'm not using any dry hair, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my coconut shine and refreshing hair lotion. I have other product mixed in this bottle as well, so it's not just the coconut oil. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on my hand. It was a bit much, but if normally the way I want to define my hair, I'm going to be using almost half of the bottle, but since we are just doing a very effortless style, so I decided just to apply a little bit. So I'm just going to massage it, and once more apply a little bit. I noticed the back was not really getting a lot of product, so yeah, I'm just going to keep massaging my hair till the product gets to every strand of my hair. And apply this Cantu Shea Butter moisturizing product. I don't really like the smell of this product, like seriously. It's kind of, the scent is too much. It's a bit intensive. Okay, so I'm just going to apply a little bit. The reason why I'm not applying that much, because I don't want my hair to look gray when the hair is dry out. When it's twisted out, it's dry and it looking gray, like no. So I'm not going to be applying so much hair cream, just a bit for extra shine. Normally I don't use this hair cream. I use it when I want to braid any synthetic hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and detangle my hair using this comb right here. This is what I always use. This is the best when it comes to detangle my hair. This is what I always use. It's not hurting me. It's not hurting my scalp. My scalp love it a lot. So I'm just going to take my small comb. I'm just going to part in one side. I'm going to be doing a braid later was at this side, because I don't want everything to just look twisted out. Taking the hair bands, I'm just going to put that aside so that I can make my way out. When I'm twisting, I don't have any distraction, and I'm still going to go ahead and braid it downwards so we can really have much space to work with.
All the choices you made, did you make them again?
Right now I'm done. I'm just going to part in the front side, put it into a bun so that I can work from my back area properly. I always like to put the hair at the side so I see what I'm doing, because I'm going to start from the back. So yeah, I'm still going to go ahead once again and detangle my hair. If I knew, guys, the first parting I part, the first twist, if I knew, I would have started braiding before start twisting. But I noticed later, after I finish twisting it, that it was a bit loose, so I just had to take the chance and start braiding the rest before twisting. So guys, right away I'm going to be showing you what I mean by braiding before twisting. I notice I have a little bit of tangling, so I just had to detangle it with a small comb. So right now, just check what I'm doing. I'm setting I'm centering my hair into three. I start to braid, and then later I transfer my left hand to the right hand side, and then later I start to twist. So with that, it's going to making the knot super tight. It's not going to be loose, because when the twist is loose, it's not going to give you really that messy. It's supposed to be a bit tight. So I'm just going to show you once again. I'm starting to braid like a box braid, and later I think I braid twice, or once or twice, and then later I start to twist. I always move my left hand to my right hand side. So yeah, I transfer one side to the other side. If that makes sense, then I start to braid and braid and braid. I'm loving that the braids are not too small, because I want it to be messy, not too defined. So yeah, I'm done. Actually, this is the last one I'm going to be twisting. I'm loving the way it looks like. So yeah, at this point of my life, I was super tired. As you can see my face today, I wasn't in the mood, to do so much. That is why I decide. So I noticed at the back, that is why I decide not to do too much, too small twisting. I noticed that the back was a bit loose, so I just had to repair that again. As you can see me doing, I'm done. I'm loving the way it looks like right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair and tie my hair around. I want every product to stick into my hair and it's going to stay in place because I'm going to bed. I'm going to sleep right now. So I'm just going to put extra turban, baby girl. Good night, guys. Hey guys, we are back. My face is beats, my lips is bold, super bold, orange. So I'm going to be taking off my scarf. Open it, girl, just open it. No hard feelings, okay? No harm in trying. So guys, this is the results. After one night. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to braid that section that I sectioned at the side, which is on my right side or left side. On my right side, yeah. I'm just going to start braiding. I'm going to be making 4 braids, and when I start to braid, I'm not braiding it to the end word. I'm just going to braid and leave it, and then later I'm going to add it to the twist out remaining. Okay, just watch me do.
Make them
So guys, right now I'm done with the 4 braid. As you can see, I'm just trying to put everything together and braid it just halfway, not to the end. Like I said, I'm loving the way it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and start to open the twist out. As you can see guys, it's very messy because I twisted it not too small. So yeah, I love the way it looks like. Trust me, I'm loving this hairstyle. I was a bit curious at the beginning, but trust me, when the makeup was on point, the lips is popping and the hair is super beautiful, messy, bougie, you know what I mean, big girl, baby girl hairstyle. So I was funny in love, honey. I was loving the hair later. Sometimes to work with natural hair, it's not the way you plan it turn out to, but you just have to ginger yourself. Girl, you are looking so pretty. You love the hair? Yes, I do. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this hairstyle, okay? So right now I'm just going to use my comb just to lift it up a little bit. So yeah, for extra, lift it up a little bit so you can have that vavavoom messy colors. So yeah, it's like you woke up like that. You did not make your hair. This is how I want it to look like. I'm just going to take a bobby pin just to secure the twist out so that we can have a bit of style at the side and do the same thing at the back area. I'm just going to use 5 bobby pins to secure it around, and then later I'm just going to take my comb. I'm just going to try to brush it upwards a little bit. I did not apply gel at all, so as you can see me doing, I'm just using my hand to style it, just to make it look the way I want it to look. So yeah, I'm loving this hairstyle. Trust me guys, I'm really loving it. As you can see it on my face, I'm loving this hairstyle. I'm going to be taking a little bit of gel. I'm just going to this gel is from Ike Hair Polish Styling Gel. So yeah, I'm not laying my edges, honey. I always say it. I'm trying to make my edges look a little bit neat and put together, if that makes sense. Okay, so yeah. going to tap my hair, just the edges to dry a little bit, maybe for 3 to 4 minutes. Voila guys, we are done. I'm loving this hairstyle. You can imagine guys, I'm loving this hairstyle. It looks super messy. It looks like I just woke up like that, you know what I mean. Anyway guys, enough of the talking. If you watch the video to the end and you get a little bit of inspiration, let me know in the comment section below. I'm happy to be sharing this video with you. Go recreate it. If you don't know which kind of hairstyle to wear to brunch, something like this would do you no harm, will make your life 10 times easier. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button and leave me a comment. Take care, love is ciao. Mwah.